we have brought together a very large number of our community as a university to celebrate the arrival of our new Chancellor.
The University Court, at its meeting on the 12th of March 2013, resolved to appoint His Royal Highness the Prince Edward, Earl of Wessex, to the office of Chancellor of the University.
I hereby solemnly declare that I will at all times fulfil the duties of Chancellor as required by the Charter, that I will uphold and maintain the rights and privileges of the University, and that I will endeavour to promote and assist others to promote those many purposes for which the University exists.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I confer upon you the degree of Doctor of Laws, honoris causa.
Chancellor, I present to you Bishop Peter Price, who is eminently worthy to receive the Doctor of Laws, honoris causa.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I confer upon you the degree of Doctor of Laws, honoris causa.
Chancellor, I present to you Ellie Simmonds, who is eminently worthy to receive the degree of Doctor of Laws, honoris causa.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I confer upon you the degree of Doctor of Law, honoris causa.
A depth and strength which is quite extraordinary. He has experience beyond his years, particularly in terms of the international community. He will be able to advise us, he will be able to ensure that we can network with a broader range of people than we would otherwise be able to do. It represents the start of a new era for the university, and today has been a splendid way of showing how that change is occurring.